As the business grows, it expands and multiplies in numerous areas, whether it is revenue, infrastructure, or technology, even in terms of people. With business expansion, the number of Tally users in the company increases, and the need for enabling more number of users to perform different types of tasks on the same data also increases. Another aspect is that the organization requires high security of data while simultaneously being able to monitor what each user is doing. Let's take your business scenario. Being a Tally.ERP 9 Gold user, you started with a known number of users who are accessing the data and passing transactions, generating reports, taking backup, etc. Now, with the growth of the business, the number of users and the need for multiple users to be able to share the same data at the same time from their individual systems, that is, use data concurrently, has also grown. For this, Tally brings you an exclusive product, tally.server9, a product that installs a server component offering dedicated access to Tally data. With this, you can manage 100 or more users where all of them perform various functions like load companies, add transactions, export reports, print reports, import data, and much more, all at the same time. Not only this, you will experience stronger data security in a shared environment and higher administrative control. Tally.server9 is a separate server component which runs as a service offering access to only your Tally data. The data can be managed through Windows services and through Tally itself. The installer installs a service called Tally Server Service and Tally.server9. Tally Server Service is the server component that runs as a service and provides access to Tally data. Tally.server9 is a Tally interface that helps users manage Tally Server Service. As with all Tally products, the installation is quick and simple, and you're up and running with the product immediately. Let's see how Tally yet again provides simple but futuristic solutions for data sharing needs with Tally.server9's many benefits. To start with, high concurrency is a prime benefit. Usually, when 10 or more users access the same data for different functions, such as data entry or printing reports, the waiting time to receive a response is high. With Tally.server9, users can perform varied tasks concurrently, without any delay, thereby increasing the organization's efficiency. Then there is security. No more data access by unauthorized users. With Tally.server9, data access is exclusively through Tally.server9, delivering enhanced data security for your business. Further, better administrative control and data management are key advantages. With Tally.server9, an administrator can instantaneously see a record of what each user is doing in Tally, track changes, and even disconnect a user, thereby giving administrators a much better control over users' access to data. Finally, there is high dependability. Tally.server9 provides smooth operations with zero crashes due to data or reliability issues, resulting in an undisturbed workflow. Tally.server9's architecture is designed to redefine the data sharing and user management experience in a concurrent multi-user environment. Not only will it provide better administrative control and security, but it will also directly improve the business performance and productivity. Tally.server9 will provide an unparalleled usability experience for secure and concurrent data access in your multi-user environment. Thank you.